Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So friends, if you're thinking about upgrading your home with some stunning floor tiles, so you're on the right video. Today we are talking about the beautiful floor tiles designs, their advantages, their price, which are the best brands are available in the market, and points to remember before installing these tiles. So friends, if you're new to my channel, then please subscribe to this channel. So let's begin the topic. So why the floor tiles are a game changer for your home? So it has some best advantages. Like first one is unmatched durability. Tiles, especially like vitrified or porcelains, are built to last. They are resistant to scratches, water, stains, and heavy foot traffics, making them the perfect for busy areas like hall, bedrooms, kitchens. With proper care, they can stay stunning for decades. And another advantage is its endless designs options from sleek marble to rustic wood. Like the design possibilities are endless. Even you can go for the bold patterns, some neutral tones, or even in the 3D floor designs to make your floor look stunning. And large tiles like 2 by 4, 4 by 4 create a spacious feel, while smaller ones add intricate details. Another advantage is it's easy to clean and maintain, like unlike the carpets that trap dust or hardwood that needs polishings, tiles are breeze to clean. A quick sweep and move with the mild detergent keep them sparkling. Plus, they don't trap allergens, making them ideal for allergy sufferers. Another advantage is it also increases the home value, like buyers loves the premium flooring tiles. They are stylish, practical, and can boost your home resale value. And tiles works in every room like living rooms, kitchens, bathrooms, and always select the anti-skid options, which are great for the safety, especially for the homes with kids or elderly. So with so many benefits, it's no wonder tiles are the top choice for the homeowners. So now let's talk about the price. How much do floor tiles cost? Prices, actually the price vary based on materials, brand and designs, but there is a quick breakdown. Like if you'll go with the vitrified tiles with the local brands, it will cost you 40 rupees per square feet. If you'll go with the branded like Kajariya, Somany, so it will cost almost 60 to 70 rupees per square feet. With the I'm talking about the premium quality tiles, not the standard one. And there may be a price varies due to the size also, because for 2 by 2 the price will be different, and for 2 by 4 the price will be high. For natural stone like marble, granite, these tiles are luxurious, and option can range from 120 rupees per square feet to 250 rupees per square feet. They are high costly than the vitrified tiles. And for installing this we require the labor. So the labor charges starts from 18 rupees per square feet for installing this, and the price totally depends upon the location. There may be in another location like 25 rupees also. So in our area there is 18 rupees per square feet, and it totally depends upon the locations. And now we're going to discuss which are the best brands for floor tiles. Like in India, like here are the some best brands. Like Kajariya is the most popular brands in available in India. Another is Orient Bells, Johnson's, Somany Ceramics. So these are the popular brands are available, and more are available. You can select as per the choice of your budget and as per your color variations and designs. Because these brands offer a mix of style, quality, and the innovations. So always check their website or local showrooms for the latest collections. So friends, now we have discussed about the price and the advantages and another thing which are the best brands. So after buying the tiles, there is a process for installing the tiles. Like so, for installing these tiles, we should consider some important points. Like first, choose the right tile for the space. Pick anti-squid tiles for your living room, for high areas, traffic areas, like for so there may be a children's and elderly persons. So always select the anti-squid tiles, and go for the durable vitrified or porcelain tiles. And always your subfloor needs to be level, clean and dry. Uneven surface and can cause tiles to crack. So budget for subfloor preparation if needed, which can cost extra. Always consider the tile size and patterns because large tiles make small rooms feel bigger, while integrate patterns like herringbone add style but may increase the labor cost. And always hire the experienced installers like a skilled tile labor ensures proper grouting and edge finishings. Inexperienced workers might cut the corners leading to issues later and might be the wastage of your tiles. And always consider your maintenance. So natural stones like marble or onyx need regular sealing to prevent stains, and like porcelain and ceramic are lower maintenance but still require the grout sealing. Always inspect the tiles before installation. Check for chipped or cracked tiles as some batches may have defect. Reputable installers will help you to spot issues early. So always when you're going to buy the tiles, always take that mistri to your shop. So friends, these are the some points to consider before installing the tiles to floor. So friends, if you have any queries regarding to this floor tiles, price, brands, so you can ask me in the comment section. And if you like this video, then please like and share with your friends. And please friends, once again,